Hello everyone. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful day. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome to another Crafty Vision set. We made it. So I want to just say thank y'all so very much for joining me. And let's go ahead and get started with this video. So today, if y'all can remember, I showed y'all this earring right here. And so I'm going to show y'all how to make this earring. And here are the items that you're going to need for this how to make video. But before I get started, please make sure you thumbs up this video. Please do not fast forward through the video so that you can get everything you need to achieve the look, okay? So this is some red heart yarn that I purchased. Of course, you know you can find this anywhere: Walmart, Michael's, Joann Fabrics, Hobby Lobby, and you could probably get yarn too on Amazon.com. Okay, but this is what I'm going to be using. I'm not going to be using Gorilla Glue, but if you make these to sell, make sure you have an adhesive that is going to really hold on your post, because you will need some of these posts, and you can find these are stainless steel posts. You can find these from Amazon.com. Of course, you're going to need a popsicle sticks. These are the small ones that I purchased from Walmart. You're going to need, well, I'm going to be using my glue gun to glue this on the back of my popsicle stick. But like I said, if you decide to sell these, use your Gorilla Glue, not your glue gun, okay? I am also going to be using my new tool that I purchased. Let me show y'all really quick. My wood burning tool, okay? Going to be using that. And basically, I'm going to talk to you first about this yarn, okay? And how you need to do it, all right? So this yarn, as you can see, if you're looking at it, it's a multicolor yarn, and I think the name of this is called, what is this called? It's a 100% acrylic. I don't know if that says reef, but I'm guessing that that's the name of it, reef, R-E-E-F. But anyway, as you can see, it comes in multiple of colors, okay? Every time you pull it out, it comes in a different color scheme. It's like you got some blues and browns, you got all blues. See how that's coming out? Now what I did was, I'm gonna show y'all what I did. I took the liberty to cut some so y'all can actually see what I mean. So this right here, this just has the blues, okay? This just have the blues. Then I have one where I cut out that just have the browns. Okay, this just have the brown to it. Okay, these two. Then it's another color scheme in there that has this. Okay, I guess it's called reef because it's really, really pretty. But I cut these out because I'm going to show y'all why. If you look at this right here, this is the blue, okay? So I'm going to be using this one to make this top. If you decide to cut it to make this one, it's going to be this color, okay? You're going to have to cut it out like this, and so forth and so on, if you understand what I mean. So you got to make sure that when you make these earrings, this is another one that I created, okay? And this one is different because it's got the brown and the blues in it, all right? Now, I don't have the brown and blues in this, but it's a piece in there that has the brown and the blues. So I'm just going to be using one of these right here, okay, to make the top part, all right? So the very first thing we want to do is we're going to put a hole down the bottom of our piece. So that's my hole right there. See, front and back. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue gun And I'm going to flip my piece this way, and I'm going to place a little bit of glue just above my hole, okay? Then I'm going to take my yarn and place it just like this, smash it on to seal it, okay? And then I'm going to take my scissors, and you don't have to do this, okay, to go in to just snip off that extra. So this is what you're going to have. So you're going to wrap this piece 4 times. And you will need, and I forgot to mention it, you're going to need a lighter as well, okay, because this is acrylic yarn. So we're going to wrap this 4 times, okay? So the very first time you wrap it, you're going to wrap it all the way down, just like this. And as you're wrapping it, you want to make sure that you hold your pieces together or wrap them as close together as possible, okay? And you're gonna start seeing this beautiful design with the color scheme of the yarn come together. So as you can see, I'm wrapping it all the way down. Now you don't want to take it too far down, okay? All right, you see that? It's coming together. All right, and when you get here, all right, then you're going to come over this way. So you're going to do it like on a slant. So all your pieces are going to come over on a slant. See that? Just like that. All right. And keep going. All right, now when you get down here, you're going to do the opposite, and then you're going to come back this way and do it on a slant this way. Okay, see it? And this is making a design, believe it or not, y'all. Hope you can see it. Okay, keep going. Keep going. And then I'm going to do it one more time, okay? Come over here, back again this way. All right. Okay. Over and over. All right, so when you get here, this is what you're going to have, okay? You're going to take your finger and place it just like this. I'm going to cut this because I don't need any more. Take your finger, put it there. You're going to make a loop, and you're going to take it, you're going to make a loop, and you're going to take this piece, okay, and go through here. Wait a minute. Take it through just like that, okay? Get your fingers out of the way, and you're gonna pull it. And just keep pulling it, okay? Just like that. And you're gonna pull it as tight as you can get it, all right? And that's what you're gonna have. Now what you're gonna do next, okay? This is what you're gonna have. This is your piece. All right, that's your design. Now you're gonna take and come here, and you're gonna snip that off. You're going to take your lighter, and you're gonna burn that. That's gonna send, and that's not going to come loose at all. And nobody can see that, okay? You can't really see that. So that's on, nice and secure. That's not gonna come off at all, okay? That's what you're gonna have. That part is done. The next thing you want to do, I did forget to mention that you are going to need something because you have to make your pretty much your tassel. So you're going to pull. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap my book about 26 times. Okay, so I'm going to take, and you're going to find you just need something that you can take and just wrap it around, okay, to make your tassel. So I'm going to lay it like this, and I'm going to wrap this about 26 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. All right, I think that's, yeah, 26. So what I'm going to do now, cut that off, okay? And then I'm going to take this whole piece off, just like this. Alrighty, that comes off. I'll try to keep everything together. And I'm gonna come down the bottom and cut this. Just like that. So this is pretty much what you are going to have. It's really long. I'm gonna take that piece out. And this is what you should have. Okay. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you're going to cut just a small little piece, just like this, okay? And you're going to take and flip your piece over this way, all right? You're going to take this and you're going to take it through, just like this. Take that through. You're going to take your glue gun and you're going to come and hit this with a little bit of glue, okay? And you're going to take and just rub that in like that. You can use gloves or whatever. All right, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I need to get this piece through my hole. So I'm going to take and put it through like this, and that's what you're going to have. Now I'm going to take this piece, which is the piece, this piece here, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tie just like this. See, I'm going to tie it. Okay, you want to tie it. You want to tie it one time, okay, and then I'm going to tie it again. So tie it one time and tie it again. Make sure that it's as tight as you can get it, and then tie it again. Okay, and then you're going to flip it over and you're going to bring everything down like this. Okay, and this is what pretty much what you're going to have. Now what you're going to do next is, now if you don't do this part, okay, you make a decision to sell these earrings, all right, the chances of this coming out is possible. So basically what you want to do now is you just want to take like 3 pieces. Let me see, 1, 2, 3 pieces, okay? And you want to just tie some knots in it. Okay, tie some knots in it. And you can go around and do this to the whole thing, or you can do a couple of pieces. This is just to keep your tassel from coming out or coming loose. Look at me. 3 pieces. Tie a knot. Okay. You want to flip it to the back, and you can do the same thing. Just 3 pieces. Like I said, you can take 3 pieces, see what I'm doing, and then just tie a knot in it. Take 3 more pieces, or 4 pieces, or how many pieces you decide that you want to do, and you're just going to tie it to keep it stable. All right, and you can do it a couple times. Like I said, you can go to the front, do it. You can go to the back, do it. It's completely up to you. It's just to keep everything from coming out, coming loose. Okay. It's also going to change the look of your earring. Now, if you want your tassel to be shorter, you can make it shorter. It doesn't have to be long like this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 2 and hold them together. And I'm going to cut them and make them the same size. And the thing that I love about this is that you can make these in so many colors. You can make them in colors like this. You can make them in solid colors if you want. Or you can keep them long like I had it. You can make it long. It's completely up to you. Okay. All right. And the very last thing that I'm going to do is, like I said, if you choose to sell these earrings, please make sure that you use some type of adhesive that is going to glue these on, glue your post backs on permanently, because you don't want to do this, somebody gets them, and then they come loose. Now, if you're making them for yourself, that's a different story. But when you're making them to sell, you want people, when they get your items and they buy stuff from you, you want them to have it for a very long time. So there you have it. And then you can still add some different things on here if you want to. You can really dress these up if you want to. You can add some ribbon. You can tie some ribbon on this if you want to. You can add some shells, some beads, whatever you choose to add on here if you want to. Or you can just leave them like this, because this is really, really pretty. You can wear these with just about any fit, any outfit of the day. You can wear them, like I said, you can make them shorter. You can make them really long. But just the convenience of this, okay, dressing it up, because this is what it looks like. Yes, y'all, it is everything. So please make sure that you, once again, thumbs up this video. I greatly appreciate each and every last one of you all. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.